Welcome back to another quick tutorial about CapCut video editing apps on phone. In this video, I will show you how to easily add different stickers to your video in CapCut video editing app. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you come down below right here. Go ahead and click on sticker right here. Then having click on sticker, then you have so many stickers right here that you can easily download and use it for your video. Like for instance, under the auth right here, you have all these available sticker right here. So if you are the type that are doing something about promo, something about subscription, etc., you can easily search for any type of sticker that indicates what your business is all about or that indicates what exactly you are doing in the video. Let's say for instance, you want people to share your video, you can use this particular share button right here. Just go ahead and click on it and then allow it to download. After a successful download, then place it in area you want. Like for instance, I want to place it down below right here. Then I can make sure I increase the size right here. Then I want to make sure I position it right here. Now let's play the video and see where the share button is going to be here. Just like what you see right here. So you can see where the share button is going to be appear in your video. So you can go on and add different type of sticker as the case may be. If you want to add another one, just click on the sections right here. Then you have so many different type of sticker that you can use to improve the creativity of your video in CapCut editing app. You can swipe this way and see more and more sticker right here. So you can select on any one of your choice and easily add it to your. So when you are satisfied with the way and manner you position the sticker on your video, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this check mark right here. So once you click on this check mark, it's going to be added to your video. Now let's play the video. You see where the share button is going to pump up. Let's play the video again. Let's play the video. Boom. It's that simple. So you see where the share button is going to appear. Let's go again. You can go on and add different kind of sticker to your video in CapCut. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use CapCut editing app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.